Hi, I am H.W. Dong. This is a 3 lecture of my Python tutorial. In this lecture, I will talk about the input function. This function is used to get input from the user. That is, get input from the keyboard. And the second content I will talk about is data type conversion. To conversion data from one type to another type. My YouTube channel is HWDNG. If you are interested in my video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, let's talk about the input and data type. First, I open the command window, switch to the D driver, and cd my directory. Type Jupyter notebook. Then I can create a new Jupyter notebook. You can give the notebook a name. This you can get a name. Simple. This cell is marked down. I want to record some notes. Input is a built-in function. It is used to get input from the user or from the keyboard. It allows user to input information to our program. For example, when we run this command, then it promotes the user to input some information. For example, I type some information. Then the result is a string. So the input function is allows the user to enter a string from the keyboard. You can use a variable refer to the input message. For example, your you can use the number. A friendly program should give the user some hints, promoting the user to enter certain information our program want to get, such as we prompt the user to, if we type this is not suitable. So we should give some hint or prompt to the user. You can put the promote message in the parentheses. For example, we in the parentheses to set the promote message for the user to promote the user to enter certain information. enter your age. Then when we run this here, it first execute this line. You should enter promote the user. You should enter your name. Then enter your age, for example. You can using the input message to do something. For example, age is not your age. Your age. This is a function input. We give another example. In this program, I want the user to enter to number and then add the to number. And print the result. We can see the result is the number of A and B. The number of A and B is the number of A and B. 23 and 14 is this is not correct. We want to plus the two integer, but the input is string, so this is two string plus the two string A and A plus B is a concatenate of the two string. If we want to add two int number, we should use type conversion to conversion the string to int. So we should use explicit type conversion. We can using int and int, using int and int, or we can int plus int. The error is this because this is string, this string, this string, but the C is an int type. Its data type is int. We can see. So we can use background. So we should convert the C from int to string using the string name, string data type. This use int data type to convert a string to int. Then it's the problem. This is called explicit conversion, to use the data type and parentheses to include this object. Then we can convert this object from its original data type to int data type. This we can convert C from int data type to a string. Give another example. If you want to do compute the area of a circle, we can write the following code. Write enter the radius of a circle. This is a string. We can convert the string to a float. Then R is a float. This is pi. Area equal to 2 multiply pi multiply pi. The area is a floater. If we want to plus with this string, this is two different data types. This string, this float. We want to, we can convert the area to string. Then it will be the price of two string. This is explicit type conversion. Let me see another examples. We can convert a binary string from a string type to an int type. for example. If this is a binary string, if we want to convert the binary string to int, we can use a second parameter 2. It means this is a binary string. We can also convert the hex string. For hex string, we should use 16, means this is a hex string. Convert an integer to a string. We can also convert the integer to a binary string using this function, or octable string. Convert the integer to octable string or hex string. We can convert a string to a tuple because string and tuple are all sequence. For example, a string can also be converted to a list. For the tuple, each element is also a list, is a pair. Each element is a we can convert this kind of tuple to a dict. Dict. We can visit the dict by key. For example, by key. Sometimes Python can automatically convert one data type to another data type. This process doesn't need any user-involved data type conversion. When two data with different type involved in an option, for example, A plus B, implicit data type, implicit type conversion can automatically convert a low data type to the high data type. For example, to convert integer to a float. But this implicit type conversion may not be successful. For example, if you want to convert an int to a string, it will not work. For example, A, B, C. When we do A plus B, A is integer and B is float, then A will convert automatically using implicit type conversion to convert to a float, and then this is 2 float plus, and the result is a float. The result of A plus B is float. The low data type int is converted to the high data type float, but int and float int can't be converted to float. For example, int can't convert to float. So if we want to convert int to a string, int can't convert to a string. If we want to convert int to a string, we should use explicit type conversion. But a string can multiply with an integer. It is a string concatenated. When two integer two int value are divided, they are also automatically convert to float and then do division. For example, when they do division operation, then 2 and 3 all convert from int to float and then do the division. If we want the two integer to do integer division, we can use another operator, this operator. This operator is integer division. Okay, this is the three lecture. In this lecture, we talk about input. Input is using to add user to input a string from the keyboard. And if we want to convert a string to an integer or float, we should use explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion can convert one data type to another data type. If two values involved in an option, Python can automatically convert one low data type to high data type, but it is not always successful. If it is not successful, we can still use the explicit data type. If you are interested in my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.